How to remove restrictions on Messenger. So first is you have to go to your Messenger application and it will lead you here to your chats, basically your chat section or your inbox section. All you have to do is to find that person you restricted. So to find that, on the upper left you will see your profile. You just have to click on your profile and scroll all the way down up until you see the preferences section. Now under preferences section, you will see the privacy and safety. Then you have to click on the privacy and safety. Then it will actually lead you here to safety and well-being, security, who can reach you, what people see. So you may want to go to the who can reach you section. And then after that, you can find three options such as message delivery, restricted accounts, blocked accounts, and all you have to do is to tap on the restricted accounts. And then here you will see all the accounts that you have restricted. Now to unrestrict that, all you have to do is to tap on that person that you want to unrestrict and just simply tap on unrestrict. You have now unrestricted that person. So if you go back to the home page here, you will actually see the person on the chat box again. So if it doesn't work, make sure to check if you have updated your Messenger application. And that is all for today. If this video helped you, please give us some thumbs up and subscribe to our YouTube channel for more tutorials. Thank you for watching.